আজকের সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রোগ্রাম। ডাক্তার ওয়ার্ড টু ডক্টর শ্যামল কুমার দাস।
আমি শুরু করতে পারি?
হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই।
আমি ইংলিশেই শুরু করছি স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, যেভাবে খুশি, আপনার অ্যাজ ইউ লাইক।
Well, to solve a complicated problem successfully, the right strategy is absolutely necessary. First, we have to know clearly, we have to an idea clearly how an individual becomes infected or diseased. If this point is very much clear, then the strategy can be successfully done. So on this issue, the clear conception about this cause of infection or cause of disease is to will have to know. Then only the perfect idea regarding prevention and cure for any infectious or non-infectious disease will be clear. Because virus or bacteria are not the sole cause for any infection or any disease condition. We learn from nature that a suitable environment is needed for something to be born and propagate. So, for any production, a suitable environment is needed first. Here, suitable environment indicates unhealthy state as regards both physical as well as mental of the individual. In this situation, the pathogens reproduce very fast and in a terrible way. What is going on now in case of coronavirus? But one interesting story, I think it is known to all, it should be known to all, everybody. That is Kavi Guru Rabindranath's famous poem. He composed a poem named Juta Avishkar, invention of shoe. I think it is very much relevant with this corona situation. One thing is that poem has two meanings. If someone read it superficially, then it will find amazing. But if someone reads it seriously, it is very real and scientific. One thing is very interesting that 120 years ago, the Nobel laureate Kavi Guru Rabindranath had a very beautiful philosophical and scientific view. But another thing also very much interesting. But Kavi Guru Rabindranath was having that very philosophical and scientific view. Now, after 120 years after, our international and national heroes, the scientists, the researchers, the scholars, why they are not getting that very idea today? Where is the problem? I think it is due to secret dealings between the government and multinational companies for promoting their business. It is known to everybody. In case of corona test for everybody, cost only 750 50 rupees, but the cost is taken from multinational companies is 4,500. So suitable business, so profitable business, I think. Everybody should know. Our heroes, our national heroes, international heroes, why they are so silent? Why they are giving the chance to the multinational companies? It is very much interesting to me. 120 days ago, and after 120 years ago, and after 120 years after, the situation is same. If you see my comparison, sir, will you please show the comparative discussion on the screen? Sir, are you getting me or not? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. We're understanding, sir.
Uh-huh.
Mujahid from Bangladesh.
Uh-huh. I know. Sir, are you getting this point or not? The Kobi Guru, the comparative discussion, the slide you can show now, the suitable moment. Sir, are you getting me or not? Mr. Karmukar, any problem?
No. Yeah. Please.
Sir, will you show the slide of comparison with Kobi Guru Rabindranath?
This
Kobi
is
Guru Rabindranath.
Kobi Guru Rabindranath. Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, sir. Yes.
Okay.
The first page.
This is first page.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is not shown. I can't see.
You can't see.
Sir, I think
What?
there is some technical problem, no?
But sharing. Everybody are seeing.
Oh, but I am not seeing. Sir, I can't see anything on the screen.
গৌতমদা দেখা যাচ্ছে না
No,
দেখা যাচ্ছে
PDF not opened.
পিডিএফ
Okay.
তুলে
Only
নেবেন
file, only
Okay,
file
okay.
showing this.
Okay.
ফাইল ওপেন নেই
Okay. Wait.
Yes, I can see and hear from Bangladesh, Dr. Sajid. Dr. Sajid from Bangladesh, I can see, sir.
Okay. I can see you. But I think some technical problem.
Just wait.
Okay, sir.
আগে তো ইয়ে করছে না তুমি শোনো দেখে খাওয়াই
Or I can see you and I am enjoying your lecture, sir, very much. Please carry on, sir.
But I want to show.
Mr. Sajid, please mute your video and audio.
Yes.
Now see.
Sir, partially.
Okay.
Left half, not right half.
গৌতমদা ডান দিকে আইকন শো করছে, সেটাকে অফ করলেই হবে। ডান দিকে আইকন শো করছে,
সাইজ ছোট করতে হবে
না, সাইজ ছোট করা যাবে না। সাইজ
করেছি।
ছোট করলে অসুবিধা হবে।
স্যার এই যে পেজের মাঝখানে একটা দেখুন টিক চিহ্ন আছে না আইকনের এই লিস্টটাতে, ওই লিস্টটাতে ক্লিকে চাপ দিন, দেখুন এটা আইকন বাটন অপশন বাটনটা ঢুকে যাবে ভিতরে, শুধু পেজটা ওপেন হবে। হ্যালো, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
हाँ हाँ
হ্যালো,
এটা কি? Sir, you try. I continue my lecture.
yes yes yes
So, it is very much interesting to me when I was thinking on this situation. And yes, sir. Fine and clear. All of you can see the idea of Kavi Guru Rabindranath 120 years ago. The left side and the right side, the idea of international and national heroes, scientists, physician experts. See, very nice comparison I have done with the help of God. So, number one, in the poem, there is a king whose demand is that under any circumstances, dust should not be touched his feet. On the other hand, the current situation, the corona situation, the demand is to make the world free of COVID-19, corona. Second situation, 120 years ago, it was a thought of a king who was foolish and naive. But in this situation, after 120 years, it is an idea derived out of ignorance and stupidity. So nice relevance. You please see. The third item, the king's ministers were given the responsibility to implement the unrealistic idea mentioned above. But here in this corona situation, here too, the experts have been given a similar kind of responsibility. So 100 years ago and after, 120 years ago and after now, after 120 years, no difference with the mentality and thought process. Number 4, in order to solve the problem, various scholars, scientists, and experts are called into brainstorm together and find a solution. But in corona situation, similarly, in the present situation, various experts are collaborating together in order to find a solution to the global pandemic. Again, 5, the important item. After a lot of brainstorming, the experts, scholars, and scientists came to a conclusion that the best solution would be clean the entire surface of the earth. However, it was seen that the problem increased tenfold. Almost 17.5 lakh brooms were brought in order to clean the dust. But much to everyone's dismay, it did solve the problem as the king faced more problems, since the dust caused more irritation to his eyes and mouth. Almost everyone in his kingdom started suffering from severe cold, cough, and fever. The water bodies became polluted, as a result of which all the aquatic animals died, and even the shops had to be closed. It was seen that a lot of money was spent from the treasury behind research and scholars, etc. It was the situation 120 years ago. But now, after 120 years, despite of all the efforts, not even a fraction of the expected result is obtained. On the contrary, human sufferings are increasing by day. There is an increase in the number of victims who are falling prey to the coronavirus, and the death toll has not come to a standstill. It is also increasing day by day. Those who are getting better is only because of their own vitality. Mind it, this very point, what I am telling, those who are getting better is only because of their own vitality, as because today's news, those persons, those victims are, the numbers of death fellows are increasing due to excessive use of antibiotics. And also someone is mentioning that they are dying very easily who have taken hydrochloroquine. So how the person, now the question is that they are demanding so many persons are become free from that very coronavirus. How it is possible? The modern science is using antibiotics, using hydrochloroquine, but both two medicines, what problem they are creating? The victims are, the numbers of death fellows are increasing day by day. So who are becoming free from the coronavirus? Only those persons are having strong vitality, strong vital force, strong immune system. Only they are becoming free. In those cases, the modern science has no, they cannot claim any their fruitful result for the treatment of modern science. It is only for the individual's vitality. So next we will come to the point again. The quest to find the right medicine for COVID-19 is costing billions of dollars, which has not led to any fruition yet. However, nothing is done for the plight of the migrant workers who are dying in groups. Pregnant mothers are giving birth on the street, and shortly after giving birth are continuing walking with their newborns again. People are crying out of hunger and with no assistance. Inside are being forced to eat wasted food in some parts of the country. In fact, in some video footage of Rajasthan, one person was seen eating rotten meat of a dead dog on the highway. So miserable. People are spending their days in unimaginable misery. The unplanned, inhuman decision of the current leaders, ministers, and experts are responsible for this indescribable misery of the people. Yet for some unknown reason, people are silently enduring everything. It should be marked. For some unknown reason, people are silently enduring everything. I think they should be protest violently. Then the leaders will understand. As because they are sitting in the ESC room.
Oh, please.
After the debacle one of the experts suggested that
Please stop.
suggested that instead of dusting and cleaning the entire surface area of the earth, it should be covered with mat, as this can be considered as one of the preventive measures. Means removing dust, it is creating so many problems. So someone suggested use mat, cover the surface with mat. Then will be no problem. So one kind of prevention, what the experts are trying to discover vaccine to prevent coronavirus, like same 120 years ago, and now after 120 years, no difference, basic difference between them. Scientists and medical experts insisted on inventing vaccines because they failed to find out suitable drugs. Prevention is better than cure. They are trying, but God knows when the fruitful medicine will come out. Fruitful vaccine will come out. Again, while other advisors suggested that the king should be kept in close quarters, because by doing so, the dust would not able to touch the king's feet. This is one kind of lockdown. It was the idea of Kavi Guru Rabindranath 120 years ago. If kings is keep in closed room, then his feet will not be touched with dust. And now we are also facing the same thing. If you under lockdown, everybody is telling stay in home, and if you stay in home, then coronavirus will not affect. It is a laughing stock, as because someone is telling, government is telling, if you keep social distancing of 2 feet, but experts are telling 20 feet. So what should be done? So I think it is a laughing thing. So we should consider, and I am requesting to the experts, you please clear the situation. Someone is telling social distancing 2 feet is enough. Someone is telling 20 feet is enough. So experts have agreed on the country-wide lockdown to allow the entire human race to be kept under house arrest, because they believe that doing so, the spread of coronavirus, COVID-19, can be prevented. So 120 years ago, and after 120 years, the same idea, unrealistic idea. Again, however, the king said, if I stay at home, the kingdom will be ruined. By this way, in what we are seeing, everyone is aware of how much spread of the virus has been prevented. Since the lockdown was announced, the economic situation of the country has come to a standstill and is moving in the opposite direction. So this is the fruitful result of lockdown. We are improving, but in opposite direction, negative direction. Again, one of the scholars suggested that this time the earth or ground should be covered with leather. Then the king's fame will be immortal. And this time also, competition for vaccine and drug discovery have started in different countries. Whoever succeeds, his fame will be immortal. Same idea. Hence, the spy of the king set out in his